Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science. Today, we're talking about a product that's all about firming, hydrating, and tackling those fine lines and wrinkles. Clinique's Smart Clinical Repair Lifting Face Plus Neck Cream with Peptides plus Hyaluronic Acid. If you're someone who's on the hunt for a powerful anti-aging solution, keep watching. This review might just be what you need. Let's break it down. This product is a targeted anti-aging cream designed to work both on the face and neck. It contains a blend of peptides and hyaluronic acid, two powerhouse ingredients known for their skin repairing and hydrating properties. Peptides are a key player in boosting collagen production, while hyaluronic acid helps attract moisture to the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. This combination aims to lift and firm the skin, which of course is something many of us are looking for as we age. I've been using this product consistently for a couple of weeks, applying it both in the morning and evening as part of my regular skincare routine. The texture is lightweight, yet nourishing, and it absorbed into my skin relatively quickly without feeling greasy. It has a smooth, velvety finish that feels hydrating without any sticky residue, which is a big plus for me, especially when I'm layering on other skincare products. Now, let's talk performance. After a few days of use, I started noticing that my skin felt more moisturized and noticeably smoother. The fine lines around my eyes and neck area seemed to look a bit softer, though I didn't experience a drastic change in lifting or firming right away. This isn't a quick fix solution, but it does seem to have a cumulative effect. For me, it felt like my skin was looking more refreshed and plump, and while the lifting effect was subtle, I could see some potential benefits with continued use. One thing I want to mention is how it works under makeup. It layers beautifully under foundation, providing that extra layer of hydration without interfering with my makeup application. It doesn't cause any pilling, which is a big deal for me with moisturizers. There are definitely some strong points with this product. The formulation is thoughtful with high-quality ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid that are proven to improve skin texture and moisture levels. It feels luxurious without being too heavy or greasy, making it a great option for both day and night. It's also fragrance-free, which I know is a plus for many of you with sensitive skin. On the flip side, the price point might be a concern for some. Clinique is known for premium skincare, and this product is no exception. The 75 milliliter jar retails for a higher price than many similar moisturizers, so it's not the most budget-friendly option. If you're on the hunt for an effective anti-aging cream that packs a punch but is a bit more affordable, there are definitely alternatives on the market. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and sleek, which is standard for Clinique products. The jar itself is a bit bulky, so it might not be the most travel-friendly option, but the design feels upscale and secure, keeping the product protected from contamination. As for longevity, I've been using this product for about 2 weeks, and I still have a long way to go before reaching the bottom of the jar. The texture doesn't dry out, and it stays consistent throughout the use. Now, if you're someone who's looking for alternatives in this price range, you might want to explore products like the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream or the Olay Regenerist Microsculpting Cream. Both of these products have similar benefits in terms of firming and anti-aging, though they might come at a different price point and with slightly different formulations. So would I recommend Clinique's Smart Clinical Repair Lifting Face Plus Neck Cream? It's definitely a solid choice for those who are looking for a high-quality, luxury product with hydrating and anti-aging benefits. It works well, feels luxurious, and delivers subtle, long-term improvements. However, if budget is a major consideration, there are other options out there that might provide similar results without the premium price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.